Welcome to this tutorial on using the form option for data entry in Microsoft Excel. In this video, I will show you how to make the data entry faster and more efficient by using Excel built-in form feature. If you are dealing with large dataset or repetitive data input, this feature will simplify your workflow and save you tons of time. Let's get started and see how to use the form option like a pro.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
So as you can see that we are starting the process from the scratch so that you can understand easily. First of all, I will create different heads for the input value. Like for example, I write the first name, last name, phone number, email address, and the city. Now I am increasing the width of the cell so that each of the information is best fit to its size. I will select all these headings and then go to the Insert tab, and here I will click Tables. When I click Table, this Create Table window open. Here I have to make sure that my table has header, so I click it and then press OK. After this, you have to right click anywhere in the ribbon section and then select Customize the ribbon. Here we have to create a new tab, so I will click New tab. So you can see that a new tab is created. I will right click and rename it. I will rename it to data entry, and now I will click OK. So you can see that we have a new tab with the name data entry over here. Now I will select this new group and then I will go to this choose command from, and here I will select commands not in the ribbon, and from these commands I will scroll down to F to find form. Here I will select this form option and then I will click add. When I click add, you can see that the form section is added to this data entry tab. After this, I simply need to press OK. Now you can see that a data entry tab is created in the ribbon section. So when I click it, I can find the form option over here. So I will click this. This will open this window, and here I can easily add all the records. I'm just adding some records. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial on using the form option in Excel helped you improve your data entry process. If you found it useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Excel tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you next time for more Excel insights.